Overnight, I considered the submissions and advice that I received. I reviewed and discussed the submission with my staff. It seems to me that there is significant ambiguity in the wording of the Standing Order 170, paragraph 1 and paragraph 4. I will seek senior counsel advice on this matter before coming to an impartial final decision. Therefore, in accordance with my solemn declaration, that I will apply the rules as laid down by this House in an impartial and fair manner, and the powers conferred on me by Standing Order 75(3). I have decided that to avoid prejudging my final decision on that dispute, the following technical groups will be recognised for the purposes of any debate in today's proceedings pending a final ruling on the matter. Independent and Parties Technical Group, Independent Technical Group. I trust my decision today provides a roadmap for all parties and all members to work towards an outcome that is acceptable to all.